Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the Weight Watchers body analysis scale review. If you haven't watched part 1, there's a link in the description so you can watch the unboxing. And this is just the box. This is the back of the box. I'm just going to show you how to set up a profile so that it can calculate your body fat, body water, muscle mass, bone mass, and your BMI. So I actually already set up my own profile, so I'm gonna set up a second profile. You can keep track of 10 users, so if you have family members, once you input their gender, their age, and their height, and then once they go on the scale and weigh themselves, it will automatically calculate their body fat, their muscle mass, BMI, etc. So I'm just going to put a little bit of weight on the scale to wake it up. Okay. And then right in this middle button here is where you're going to click to set up the profiles. Not sure if you can see that right there. So like I said, you can set up to 10 profiles. I've already set up profile 1, so we'll do 2 just to show it. And then here you press the middle button to get to the next step. This is your height. So again, left or right, you can go up or down. I'm 5'2", I'll leave it there. And then here you select your age. I'm just going to keep it at 30. And then here on the left side here, you would choose your gender, male or female. So I'm going to keep that at female. Once I click the button, it will go through the settings that you just set, just to make sure everything's correct. And at the end, I will get on the scale and weigh myself. Whoops. Okay. So I'm currently 157. And then just stay on the scale until the zeros go away while it's calculating. So body fat is 34.6%, body water 47.7%, muscle mass is 32.7%, bone mass 6.4%, and my BMI is 29. And again, the weight's 157.8. Make sure when you are on the scale that you're stepping on these silver lines, and just to make sure that your skin is in contact with the lines, because that's how it calculates it. I tried weighing myself with socks on and I got an error message, so just keep that in mind. If you are weighing yourself with socks on, that will happen. And that's it. So again, if you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe to check out my future reviews. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.